how to get back archived stories on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost or find your archived stories within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Instagram app, then navigate to your Instagram profile and select the three lines in the top right of Instagram. Once in the settings, select archive. And then we just want to make sure at the top that we have stories archived open. You can select the drop down and you can see the other archives. Make sure you have stories. And then you should see all the stories you've ever posted on Instagram. If you don't see your stories here, select the three dots in the top right and then select settings. And you just want to make sure that you have save story to archive turned on. And then from that moment on, anytime you post a story, it'll automatically archive it as soon as it expires after 24 hours. So to get back any of these archived stories, simply select the story and we can repost it by selecting share and then just selecting your story. And then as you can see, it added it to my story, but you can also add it as a highlight by just selecting highlight right there and then choose which highlight you want to add it to. I'll just do a new one and select test and add it. So now if I go back to my profile, you can see I currently have a story, and that's the one that I posted. And then I also have a new highlight of that story. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.